Whoa, look at that! Today we're opening Goddess Story box, the 20 box. In this box you have a chance for like an amazing card. It's very unlikely to get pulled, but you have a chance on it, so I'm really excited to see how lucky can I get. But without further ado, let's see what the cards are. I want to see those waifus. Okay. Shit! My wife would really love that card. So even if I don't have double for this, but I probably will, but if I don't, I will give it to her. And also, what's up with that cat? Is he in freaking Harry Potter? Is he the cat who lived? Okay, ooh, just like that. Super rare, straight away. Okay, cool. Looking kind of familiar, but I don't recognize her. And secret super rare. Yeah, I forgot, this set is like 5-for-1 set, so I will be getting... Oh, that's Fate. That's nice. I will be getting SSR in each pack. The 5-for-1 boxes that I opened always had the rectangle ones, always has like more cards in each pack. So this one has only 4 cards, as you can see. Which is not a problem, I guess. Hopefully you will end up with less doubles. And this is Zombieland Saga, very nice card. Amazing. This one I don't know, but you can see some pencil and I don't like it because it's a child. Okay. No, nothing special there. And Secret Super Rare, looking like kind of Genshin Impact skin. But I don't fucking know if that's correct. I assume, hi there, I assume that I will be getting the special card instead of SSR, like on the back. And I don't know how many cards above SSR are guaranteed in this box, because normally there are 2 slots in 5-for-1 boxes. So maybe this one is also 2 slots. Maybe it's 1 because it's like a lesser box. However, you have a chance for a freaking amazing card. We will see it really soon. Hey look, it's Aqua from your favorite anime, Konosuba. Very good, very nice. I don't know who that is, but she looks kind of Rin Tosaka, but then when she grows up, it's probably someone else. But it just reminded me. Okay, I just want to see my favorite waifu, that's all. Hey, that's a cool card. Nice background. It is also Fate Grand Order. I thought it would be like Idol Master or something like that. But it's a Fate. Interesting. Hey, the first double, but I don't mind because it's an R. And not a double, and this looks like Love Life, Love Sunshine. Fuck you, and okay, super rare rabbit. Okay, little girl pack. Okay, I fucking know. Ooh, that's not a little girl. Also, this box has kind of texture on the back of the card. Not all of them have it, so I don't know what's up with that. I don't know if it's just like some exclusives or the other ones are fake that don't have this. It's a tough one. Let me know in the comments if you know what's up with that. But yeah, okay. Those are nice legs. And she also has a tail and cat ears, fox ears. I don't know. Okay. And hey, that's ReZero. And like the little girl, yeah, that's Re. There's Re in it, so it must be ReZero. And who the fuck are you? You're looking hella nice. So again, some little girl action over here. But yeah, let's skip. That's definitely Love Live. Yep. I haven't watched it. I fucking hate it because there are a lot of boxes that has too much of this anime in it. Now I have developed a special skill that I can like recognize from an art style or from a look from, hey, that's Love Live. Yeah, that's my skill, but I fucking hate it. So it's fucking no. That's a nice card. God damn. And oh yeah, baby! Konosuba PTR. Although I hate this PTR design, I'm very glad to see it, at least the card that, of at least the character that I enjoy. And the reason why I hate it, because the PTR in back in the days used to be amazing rarity with a lot of shit going on, and right now it's just character and on the same character like bigger on the backside. It's lazy. Although I give it to you, the color and like the shine is beautiful. So it has something, but in my opinion, it is not finished. Like you miss something in this design, and I don't know what. I leave it to you guys, the story makers, to figure it out, because I also seen you tried a different PTR designs, so maybe you find something that works. Hey, nice, ReZero again. Ah, that's cute. There's the cat. There's the cat. Ah, that's nice card. I mean art. Art, that's a very nice art. Okay, first double, SSR double even. That doesn't happen too often, but okay, I take it, I guess. So far we have one slot, which is above SSR. And I got like the PTR, which is just above the SSR. There are, I believe, 2 rarities or 3 rarities above this one. So I hope I will get one of those. But obviously it's not guaranteed. So we'll see. Okay. Hey, that's from the who does it call? So not the sword art, but the Gigio. I fucking remember. I didn't enjoy it that much when I watched it. But hey, it was better than like the second part of the first season of how the fuck do we call it? When they had wings. Ooh, this one looks awesome. What the fuck? It's amazing. I really dig this style. That is a fucking love live card? Nah, fam. What about my skill? I thought I knew how to detect them. What the fuck? Like, those are 2 completely different animes. Don't freaking tell me that's the same one. Like, bruh, or it's just this art style is done so well, it just becomes another anime. That's cursed, because I freaking hate Love Live, but I really love this character design, so I don't know how to feel about this. And this one is looking nice, but bruh, like how big is your head? Holy shit, like this can fit your whole body in it, like what? Hey, okay. Ooh, that's an actually awesome design. This one looks like lovely. Oh, goddamn. Okay, yeah, see, I told you, I have a freaking skill, but the other card just threw me off. And wow, do I have to say anything else? Goddamn. And this again, I mean, if I knew which anime it was, it would be nice, but it's kind of boring to look at. This, however, is a very different story. Look at that. It's pleasing for the eye to look at. I like it very much, and also I'm running out of the space. But we don't have a lot of packs left. Ooh, I kind of forgot to remind you guys. If you want to get a promo pack, you can use tcgcomrade code. Write a note to the seller, link in the description. And also, if you want to spend money like a crazy maniac on the waifus, you can get 2 golden cards for free, which are awesome. In order to get them, you need to make an order above $200. I know it's a lot, but some of you are crazy, so go get it. But you need to use the code tcgcomrade, don't forget it. Okay. Little girl, oh, okay, what? How? Oh, I thought her arms were going through the boobs because of this black outline there. Really confused for a second. Really confused. Okay, ooh, that's quite familiar, but I don't know who that is. And that's definitely, is it Love Live? Okay, I'm gonna bend my ass. It's not a Love Live, but I saw another bend anime. And see, boom, I have this skill. I could tell this is not a Love Live, just from a hinge. So, okay, and SR, and hello there. Hello there, that's the freaking angle, goddamn. God, the story is spoiling me. What? What the actual fuck? Ooh, looking cool. Also, like the eyes on the rope, on dress, whatever. Booyah, let's go, Demon Slayer. Freaking amazing. Nice one to get. And also a nice one to get. No reason at all, just, you know, just a nice character. And nice golden shines. And God, the story, what the fuck are you doing? God damn, this one deserves a place in the hit pile. I don't know about you, but this one definitely deserves to be there. Also, no particular reason. I like the background and boring and okay. I have 2 packs left, so I'm starting to think there are only 1 hit in that box and that's my hit, which would mean I am not getting the very special card. But there's a little chance that I might, but I don't think I'm that lucky. And another SSR, and the last pack will tell me how much hits do I have in this box. Let's see. The double. Hey, that's also Demon Slayer, nice. I thought just for a split second it was the double, but it's another character. That's cool. And hey, let's go MR. So 2 hits, and MR is above PTR, so that's nice to get. Although I don't freaking know which anime is that. I'm glad to see an MR. That's the video. Subscribe, like, and comment if you want to support the channel. And I see you, Web Traveler.